So we take this again, and that's number three or so among the triphthongs of English. Remember, the triphthongs are the third subdivision of the English vowels, okay? And each of them has about three different sound qualities in a single unit, and that's what we have in the English language. Now, I'll show you one of the problems some speakers of English language were not using English as a first language make. I'll show you. Now, in this case, we have the sound oir, o, e, o, e, Now, the first sound quality has your lips rounded, o, o, o. And then the second sound quality is spread, I. And then the third, as the character, yes, among the triphthongs. So you have the third, sound quality being the short sound, oir, oir, oir. Now, this is the problem with the second language users of English language. They try to pronounce it with the palatal ear. So they have something like oi. Now, the moment your tongue touches the palate and it becomes a problem, you've separated it. You've broken the rule of two things. And that's the problem most people have in pronouncing some of these words, especially words with three sound qualities referred to as triphthongs. Now, let's look at the board. You have oir, oir. So you have the word lawyer, lawyer, sawyer, sawyer. Both those words have or are spelled with A-W-Y-E-R, A-W-Y-E-R, and those letters, five of them give you the same sound, produced as a single sound, lawyer, lawyer, sawyer. And then you have a Y-A. Basically, the L is not there, so what you have is a Y-A, and then you have the word loyal, loyal, and of course the word